English slang words about money from espressoenglish.net. In today's lesson, I'll teach you some slang words about money. First, learn the slang words and listen to the pronunciation. I suggest that you pause the video and say the words and sentences out loud. At the end of the lesson, click the link in the video to try the quiz about these words. Let's get started. Number 1. Bucks. Bucks is a common slang word for dollars. For example, I love your watch. Was it expensive? Nah, I got it for $15. Nah is an informal way to say no. No, it wasn't expensive. I got it for $15. $15. Number 2. Dough. Dough is a slang word for money. For example, you can save a lot of dough if you book your plane tickets well in advance. Number 3. Broke. If you are broke, it means you have no money. For example, when I was in college, I was so broke that I had to borrow money from my sister to buy toilet paper. Number 4. Chip in. To chip in means to contribute money for a collective purchase. In other words, a group of people is going to buy something and you contribute with an amount of money. For example, we're buying a present for the teacher. Could you chip in? Number 5. Cough up. Cough up means to give or spend money reluctantly. You don't want to give or spend this money, but you do it because you are forced or obligated to. For example, I had to cough up $300 for repairs to my car that the insurance didn't cover. Number 6. Loaded. Loaded is a slang word for rich. For example, Karen's new boyfriend drives a Ferrari and wears a Rolex. He must be loaded. Number 7. Rake in. To rake in money or rake in cash means to get or earn money in large amounts. For example, J.K. Rowling has been raking in money ever since the Harry Potter books became popular. Number 8. On me. If you say it's on me, this means you will pay for it all, both your part and your friend's part. This is commonly used in restaurants, bars, when buying coffee or ice cream, things like that. For example, let me see the check. The check is how much money you need to pay at the restaurant. Don't worry about it. This is on me. That means I will pay for everything, including your part. Number 9. How much do I owe you? This is an informal way to ask how much do I need to pay for this product or service. For example, thanks for fixing my TV. How much do I owe you? Number 10. Splurge. To splurge means to spend money on something extra or extravagant. For example, I know I need to save money, but this month I splurged on a designer handbag. Number 11. Scrape by. If you're scraping by, it means you have barely enough money to survive. For example, with a minimum wage and 3 kids to support, she's just scraping by. Number 12. Dip into your savings. This means to spend money that you were previously saving for something else. For example, we had to dip into our retirement fund to pay for our vacation to Tahiti, but it was worth it. Now try the quiz to test your knowledge of these slang words about money. Just click on the link in the video to try the quiz. You can learn more English slang words easily with my ebook all about slang and informal English.